boys and girls. I'm so glad that you've joined us for some fun in the kitchen. And today, I have some special helpers. I have Mr. Seth.
Hi.
I have Miss Sofia.
Hi.
I have Miss Rachel.
Hi.
And I have Mr. Ben.
Hi.
And today, this is going to be a special cooking program because we're making breakfast banana splits.
Yeah.
Oh, does that sound good?
Yeah.
Oh, you guys are going to love this. I've given you each a banana, but I wanted to show you something. You can also make little tiny banana splits. Have you ever seen a little tiny banana?
Yeah.
Oh, isn't it cute? I like them. You know, they're a little sweeter than the big bananas. And do you know what? What's different about these bananas? You don't peel them like you'd peel them. You know, this banana, you peel them from the top down, like this. These bananas, you peel like this. You pinch the end. I might have to take a knife. You cut the end or pinch it, and then you peel it this way.
Like when Miss Cinda, monkeys do it that way too.
You think? Oh, are you a monkey? Does anyone want to taste one of these bananas?
Yeah.
They're a little bit sweeter. Oh, and they're so good. Here, I'll put one on your plate and you guys can taste it. Do you know that there's a lot of different kinds of bananas? There's lots and lots of different kinds of bananas. What do you think? Don't they taste a little sweeter? They're good, aren't they? Okay, so we're going to get started. I'm going to do it first, and then you guys do it, okay? So I'm peeling my banana and setting it down, okay? So peel your banana and set it on the tray, on your plate. I'll take your peelings for you, and I'll throw them away. Thank you, Ben. There you go.
That is strange. Give me Cinda.
Okay, good job. Good job. Can get it all peeled?
Yeah.
Good job, Seth.
Mine.
I'll come over here and get yours. Good job. You can just lay it down, Rachel. That's not a problem. Okay, now I'm going to show you something special. You want me to take this? There you go. Okay, let me throw this away. Now what you're going to do is you're going to take your knives and very carefully cut down the center. Okay, see how I'm holding it on either side so I don't, watch, Ben, look. And then you can set your banana. So see, I split it open like that. Okay? Good job. And then, want me to help you?
What if it does?
Here. Okay. See, you're going to cut it all the way through. Okay?
Like this, Miss Cinda?
Very good. There.
Miss Cinda, it has little seeds.
It does. You could grow a banana tree. Okay, there you go. Can you get it? Want me to help you, Sofia? Okay. Let's go like this, see? Cut all the way through. Can you see, boys and girls? You can have fun making these at your house. There, we'll put it like that. Seth, you want me to help you? Okay, here. Let me show you. You go like this, see? We cut it like this. Down the middle, see? And we'll just turn it over like this. And there you have 2 parts, okay?
Okay.
Now, I've got some oatmeal, and I'm gonna give you guys 3 scoops of oatmeal right down the center, okay? There's 1 for you, and 2 for you. You guys wanna count with me?
1.
How many does Seth have?
2.
How many can you count that, Sofia?
1.
How many does he have?
3.
Very good. Now we'll count yours. Okay, what's that?
1.
Okay, here's another one.
2. It's the last one, Miss Cinda.
Okay, how many is that, Sofia?
3.
Oh, very good. Okay, let's get Ben's.
One.
Whoa, help me out, Ben. It's sticking to my scooper. You know, if it sticks to your ice cream scoop, what you can do? You can go like this. This is a little trick, and you can spray it. Okay? And then it'll come out. Come out easier. See? A little bit easier. Turn it over, Ben, for me.
2.
How many does Ben have, guys?
3.
There you go. Now let's get Rachel 3. Oh, Ben, I'm messing yours up a little bit. Put it together for me. Okay, here you go, Rachel.
1.
Boy, I need to get a better ice cream scoop, don't I?
Uh-huh.
Well, I think I need to do that.
Miss Cinda, you said ice cream scoop.
Well, that's what this is. But we're using it for our oatmeal. There we go. How many does Rachel have?
2.
Can you see, Sophia? How many does Rachel have?
3.
Now she has 3. Okay, and I'll do mine. What's this?
1.
1. And
2.
how?
2.
Well, if I can get it out, it'll be 2. There we go.
2.
Sophia, how old are you?
3.
So, then you ought to know how many scoops I have on my plate. How many do I have now?
3.
Yes! Okay, now the fun starts. You each have pineapple, strawberries, and you guys share the blueberries. So, and also, this is Miss Cinda's homemade strawberry jam. So you can put that with your strawberries, okay? And you guys put strawberries on one. I think I'm going to put strawberries in the middle one. Put strawberries on one, and you can just kind of put them like that. And then let's put pineapple on another one. And you can do it any way you want, Sophia. And Daniel, you can do it any way you want. Put your strawberries on, Seth, I'm sorry. Okay. Okay, and then you can use your spoons here if you want, and put some pineapple on one, just like you would a banana split. Doesn't this look good?
Yeah.
Okay. There, I've got pineapple on mine. Here's your strawberries. You can use all of them if you want. And here's your blueberries, you guys.
Miss Cinda,
You can
the
share
blueberries
those.
are frozen.
I know, and they'll thaw out, but they're yummy frozen too. Oh, I love frozen blueberries, especially on a real hot day. Don't you like to just eat little frozen blueberries?
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, I do too. Okay,
Miss Cinda.
and now, Ben, you've got that. So you can take some strawberry jam. Look at this, and you can put some strawberry jam over the strawberry one. Does that look good? You guys want to do that?
Miss
You get
Cinda,
your spoon? Yes, Ben.
Look.
Well, don't dip it in. Put it on your plate, okay? And then, you know what? I have some non-dairy whipped topping. Would you like some on yours? Go ahead. You can put some on. Does this look good, boys and girls?
I bet mine's going to be good.
This is going to be a special breakfast, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Good job,
Miss
Sophia. You want to put some on this one? Here, let's put it back in. Put that on. You want some over here, Sophia? And then you can sprinkle it with some nuts if you want. Whoa, we better get that off your apron. But that's what aprons are for, isn't it? Aprons are so you don't get your clothes dirty, isn't it?
Uh-huh.
Yes. You want some coconut in yours?
Yeah.
Okay, who wants some non-dairy whipped topping?
Me.
Okay. I'm going to put it like this, and you guys can share. You can get another spoon, Ben. There you go. Ooh, I can't wait to taste these. Who's going to taste them?
Me.
Who can't wait to eat them?
Me.
Here, I'll help you, okay? There you go. How about that? You want one on each one? Okay. There you go.
Miss Cinda, we all want to.
Oh, you all want to?
Uh-huh, we all want to taste it.
Now you can put coconut and nuts on. Okay? Here, Seth, would you like some on yours?
Yeah.
Want me to help you? You want one on each one? Okay. And then put some coconut and some nuts on. This is going to be a yummy breakfast. And you know what, boys and girls? It's a healthy breakfast, too. Did you know that? Oatmeal's really healthy for you. And strawberries are really healthy. Who thinks pineapple's healthy?
Me.
Yes. Blueberries are healthy. And coconut's healthy. And did you know what? Pecans are really healthy, too. Did you know that?
Every time I go over
Look
to
at
my papa.
mine is snowing. It's snowing. Is yours snowing?
Miss Cinda, yours looks like 3 little piggies.
You think so? Mine's getting snowed on. It's getting snowed on. And then you can put pecans on. I'm going to take some chopped pecans. And you guys want some big pecans too? Okay, you guys can start eating it if you want. Oh, you want some big ones?
I'm gonna eat this.
You can eat it. There's your spoon. You can eat it. Oh, and anybody want some maple syrup in there? Here's some pure maple syrup. Let's dip it. Yeah, you can use it. Here, this is a clean spoon. Let's put a clean spoon in, and you can use. Yeah, here, Seth. I'll take that. Oh, that's our kitchen timer. We're almost out of time. You better hurry so you can eat it. There, you want some maple syrup?
Cinda,
Yes.
so how do you fold it up?
Oh, you don't. You just start eating it like this.
Oh.
Go ahead. You can just take a
Because
big
almost
spoonful.
every single time I have actually one of these, we fold it up.
Oh, you don't fold this up. You can just take a bite now.
Miss
You guys
Cinda,
can go ahead and eat yours now.
We almost every single day around our house we eat oatmeal.
You do?
Yeah.
Oatmeal's very healthy for you, Seth. It's very good. I love oatmeal. Who likes this? Is this good? Do you want me to help you, Rachel? Here you go. There you go. Oh, doesn't it look pretty too? What a yummy breakfast, huh?
And a healthy breakfast.
And a healthy breakfast. And boys and girls, you can try this at your house, and you can use any kind of topping you want. You can use different types of fruit, and it's good, isn't it? Is it yummy? Who likes to come to the kitchen?
Me.
Oh, I love it when you come to the kitchen. You know, it's really important to learn how to eat healthy foods and learn how to cook healthy foods, isn't it? That is. It's very important. We need to make sure we take care of our bodies and put good food in our bodies, boys and girls. Oh, there's our kitchen timer. And we're all out of time for today. I hope that you'll make this recipe at your house, boys and girls. And always remember, anytime you can be in the kitchen, it's fun.